ready to unlock a whole new level of data insights for your Shopify store. Let's jump right into adding Google Tag Manager. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Go to Online Store, then click on Themes. Now, find the theme you want to edit. Usually, it's your current live theme, and click the 3 dots. Then select Edit Code. OK. This is where you need to be careful. In the code editor, find the theme.liquid file. This is the main layout file for your entire store. Now, go to Google Tag Manager and grab your GTM code snippet. Then in the theme.liquid, find the opening head tag and paste the first part of the GTM code snippet directly after this tag. Now find the opening body greater than tag and paste the second part of the GTM code snippet directly after this tag. This ensures GTM loads as early as possible. Double check you pasted both snippets correctly, and then hit that all-important Save button in the top right corner. Back in Google Tag Manager, use the preview mode to test your implementation. Navigate your Shopify store to see if GTM is firing correctly. Install the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension to help quickly verify if your tags are firing properly on your website. If you see the GTM container, you're good to go.